Ad tree. Your new vision.
The Red Devils gaming phone held the Red Devils Esports Universe new product launched, and released a large number of new products, including the Red Devils 8 Pro Plus Transformers Leader Edition limited collection set. The highlight of the new product range is undoubtedly the Red Magic 8 Pro Plus Transformers Leader Edition. The cell phone body of the Red Magic 8 Pro Plus is designed in the classic red, blue, and silver colors of Optimus Prime, incorporating the BUP logo. The Red Magic 8 Pro Plus Transformers Edition has been deeply customized, based on the Red Magic 8 Pro Plus customized version, 16 plus 512 GB, with automobile ICE magnetic radiator, 165W gallium nitride charger, Optimus Prime card pin, badge and magnetic heat conduction, a wealth of customized accessories such as protective shells, as well as a new custom theme UI for MechStorm. For the first time, the phone uses nano-level 3D micro-etching, which is finely crafted to give a unique and sophisticated look. This phone is a perfect example of how Red Magic has seamlessly integrated technology and designed to provide gamers with an experience that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. The Red Magic ICE Magnetic Radiator Transformers Custom Version and Optimus Prime Custom Version of the Magnetic Suction Gaming Thermal Protection Case are also part of the new product range. These products are designed to provide gamers with the ultimate cooling experience while playing games. The 165W GP gallium nitride charger is another exciting addition to the Red Magic product line. It promises to charge devices faster and more efficiently than traditional chargers, making it an essential accessory for gamers who need to recharge their devices quickly. Red Magic has also introduced a new set of desktop theme UI that is deeply integrated with the classic logo and image of Transformers IP. This new theme adds a touch of mechatronic aesthetics to the user interface and is designed to provide a unique and immersive experience to gamers. In terms of hardware configuration, the Red Magic 8 Pro Plus adopts a 6.8-inch flexible straight screen jointly customized with BOE, with a resolution of 2480 by 1116 pixels, a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz, and a touch sampling rate of 960 Hz. Screen, equipped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and a combination of full-blood version LPDDR5X memory plus UFS 4.0 flash memory, provides a 5000 mAh battery, and supports 165W wired fast charging. In terms of imaging, it is equipped with a 16-megapixel off-screen front camera and a rear 3-camera module consisting of a 50-megapixel main camera plus an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sub-camera plus a 2-megapixel macro sub-camera. The Red Magic 8 Pro Plus Transformers Leader Edition. It also comes with IC 11.0 Magic cooling system, built-in fan plus full penetration air duct, the first 3D ice stage double pump VC liquid cooling, underscreen graphene and other up to 10 layers of cooling materials. The whole body surface temperature down 16 degrees Celsius. A remarkable offering unveiled at the event is now available for purchase through official sales platforms such as the Red Magic website and Nubia's flagship store on priced at 6,499 yuan, $940. This edition offers an impressive 16 GB RAM plus 512 GB internal storage capacity, and comes equipped with an assortment of cutting-edge features. Learn from the official that the Red Devils 8 Pro Plus Transformers Leader Edition limited collection set. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget subscribe our channel at Tree.